Are you facing difficulties and are you facing rejections? So, are you taking depression due to the job rejections? So, quit all now. Now we are here to discuss how to face an interview and how to qualify the HR rounds. So, hi guys, welcome back to Magneq. This is Sureka Sitaram, HR professional and soft skills trainer. So, actually, we are here to learn how to face in HR interviews and what are the series. So, how do we face this rejection? How can we overcome this? It's actually really simple. But no need of taking any tension. It's just all thing your own practice makes perfect. Of course, we'll be there for you to support. And from today, we are having a series of HR interview facing and how to make that successful. Okay. So now I'm sure once this HR interview series completed, you'll be cracking an interview without no tension. So let's go into the topic. So today's topic, first of all, will go with your confidence and self-introduction. So basically, the first question when you go into an interview camber, that would be completely a self-introduction about you. The HR might ask you a different question for the same self-introduction. It might be, walk me through your resume, or brief me about yourself. Can you explore yourself? And give me your self-introduction. So whatever the question might be, our answer should be the prepared one, which is very unique and with a full clarity. So yes, now I'm here. How can you build your self-introduction, which is very perfect, and there would be no rejection for that? Yes. So everyone makes self-introduction different way. Some people go with the name, college, that's it, bus. So this is not a type of thing where we should give a short or long. So we have two types of self-introductions. Which one is very short and which one is long? So short will be used only when you are in group discussions or some kind of a very little bit of introduction. This type of things. So, but you have to be prepared for your interview or something like when you're giving to a speech or something. You should be brief yourself completely and you should walk through your journey. So that is why a self-introduction makes a very impact, and that would be the first impression on you. So simply, this is Sureka Sitaram, myself HR professional, and this would be nothing to them. But where are you from? Where did you study? What is your experience? These all things include and matters a lot. So for self-introduction, there was a few steps to follow. If you follow these few steps, you will be building your self-introduction in a perfect way. And let's take a challenge to build this self-introduction. And I expect you people also write your self-introduction and post on your comments. So the first step of self-introduction is your full name. You should be giving your full name, not your callable name when you are giving your self-introduction. Your full name includes like myself Sureka Sitaram, or my name is Sureka Sitaram. So my full name I'm giving, and then I'll be going to the second step, that is where are my proper and what is my proper, where are I from. Okay. So the second step is your proper. So what is your proper? Yes, I am from Visakhapatnam. Right? This is my proper. So I continue this with my second line. Okay. So myself Sureka Sitaram and I am from so and so area. And this would be your second point. So coming back. So why proper is more important when you are going to do this? Because a person might not be judged on its proper, but the proper impacts, and the proper is the person, where is he from, and how love, what is the love he portrayed to your proper village or town. So that is the reason you have to mention your proper, that creates an impact to the HR. So of course your 2 steps are done, your name, your proper. If you are an experienced guy, the third step should be your experience. You should detail your experience. So I hold 3 years of experience from so and so company, which is located in Hyderabad. Or you can go ahead like this. I hold 3 years of experience as an developer, Java developer in so and so company, in TCS or Wipro. That's it. But you should not go more in that, because if you are going, there won't be that much patience to listen completely and briefly. So they ask you your self introduction, you just get an outline of that. So you should not brief into that. You should not go very detailed in at very beginning moment. So that is the reason we should give in a single line that. So your third step will be your experience. If you have multiple experiences, of course you can give. I have 2 years of experience as an HR in some company, and 2 years of experience as a recruiter in some other company. So in this proper, you can give 2 lines. If you have more than 1-2 companies you have, which you have a shifting or something. If you are a fresher, in place of experience, you have to come with your college details. Like, I never ever mention your score, aggregate score, what you scored in your college until unless they ask you. So score is not a matter. If you are a very good scorer, you can mention. If you are an average scorer, you can manage it, no issue. So without mentioning also, you can create an impact. So I studied my mechanical engineering from so and so institute, or I studied my CSC from so and so institute, or if you post that, if you have a graduation MBA or something, you can also include my graduation, my post graduation has been completed in so and so institute. I was graduate from so and so institute from the specialization of so and so branch. So you can give this as a third point. So if experienced people wanna express this educational qualifications also, you have to express this post your experience only. First your experience should be preferred, post that your education. If you are a fresher, you will be going directly with education. So we have 3 points. The first point is your name, full name, and your where are you from is the second point, and experience or your fresher, it might be college educational details. And the fourth point, what are your skills? What are you very good with? So I am very good with Java or .NET, whatever it might be, the technology you can mention, or if you are very good at your communication skills also, you can mention that. Right? Okay. So after mentioning your skills, you have a project kind of thing in your colleges or your experience levels. So project, so I had dealt with some project. Suppose if you are in a college, of course the experienced people know what are the projects they have gone through. I have worked on so and so project as a developer in this team. So this is my role. That's it. No brief explanation on that. What is your role? What is the project? That's it. In case of fresher, no. You can go with your college project like this. So you'll have a main projects in your colleges, right? So for that you can do, I have worked on a project called your project name and what is your role in that. I have worked as a team member or a team manager, okay, or a developer. So you can mention that role. So that creates an impact that you had been already worked in this particular thing. Okay, so that is fine. We got it something like, of course, 4-5 points now. So the first point is your name, full name. Second point is where are you from. Third point is educational details or if you are experienced, experience details. And the fourth point is what is your skills, what are you good in. And the fifth point, your major project or project kind of things you do. And the sixth point is coming to your hobbies. His hobbies or interest is very important in that. Yes, it's important, dear. Because, see, if you are active in something else, in corporate culture will be different. You can get it of you might have different activities in your office. You might have some competitions, inter company competitions also happens. At that time you can perform well, so that creates really an impact that you are multi-talented and you have different skills. Okay, if you are a good dancer, yes, you can probably say it, because I'm a good dancer, or I'm a good singer, or I know how to make videos, I'm an influencer. So you can mention this to give a special impact on you. Okay, so this was your 6th point. So what is your 7th point? 7th point will be your family background. This will be the final point where you can end. So family background in sense, what are the details should we portray them? Only simply let's close our family background. Suppose you are you have a small family, or you are some 4 kind of people living, or 5, let it be. So yes, my father name is Sitaram, and he is working as a government employee in so and so organization, or whatever it might be, in particular department. Okay, and my mother is a homemaker. She is a very good support for me. She teaches me patience. She loves me a lot, that cares me a lot. She is really supportive to us. So you just add something for your father or mother which helps you a lot from them, what you learn from them. Okay, so like I learned to be strong from my father. He faced a lot of situations that really helped me. He struggled for us a lot, so I also became like this. So you add your strength that you grab from your father or mother. Okay, and of course your mother really have a patience, because she holds the house, right? Some working mothers also will be there, they handle both. So you can have a good team management skills, or management skills from your mother, because she holds total family, she manages everyone. So you can make a positive point out of that. And you have an younger brother or elder brother, or suppose he is studying some BTech, if younger brother. So my younger brother is studying BTech in so and so institute, or my elder brother is working somewhere in so and so institute. That's it. So we can end up here. That's all about me, sir or ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity. That's it. So yes, now if you want more videos like this, and if you want to follow this series, just subscribe to Magneq channel, and we are giving a good series now to how to crack an HR interview. So get ready with that, and I hope you comment all your self introductions build down in comment section, and we can review this also in our next session. Thank you. Bye.